Are you looking for the best small standing desks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best standing desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Linsy Home 47-inch Electric Standing Desk. Next on our list of the best compact standing desks is our best value pick, the Linsy Home 47-inch Electric Standing Desk. It's an ideal standing desk for small spaces, offering a slick wood design at an affordable price. Firstly, the desktop is 47 inches long and 23 wide, so it's a compact standing desk. It's made from 2 pieces of laminated wood and available in 2 stylish finishes: gray and walnut. Linsy Home offers a large free mousepad for the desk with every purchase, a nice little bonus. With a maximum weight capacity of 176 pounds, this Linsy model can handle most hardware, including dual and triple monitor setups. The desk's frame is made from heavy-duty steel, pretty much the standard material for standing desks. Linsy offers a 1-year manufacturer's warranty with every purchase. Even though the desk is cheap, it comes with many additional features, including desk hooks, a cable management tray, and a free mouse and keyboard pad. However, there are a few downsides. Firstly, the warranty isn't great, and secondly, the desk doesn't have a keyboard tray. All in all, this Linsy model is a super affordable small standing desk that is solidly built and has everything you need for an ergonomic work routine. At number 2. Vari 48-inch dual motor electric standing desk. Next on our list is a desk dedicated to buyers looking for ultimate durability. Our premium choice is the Vari 48-inch dual motor electric standing desk. Vari standing desks are known for their heavy-duty build. The same goes for this model. This model's desktop measures 48 inches long and 30 inches wide and is made from scratch-resistant laminated wood. It's finished in a reclaimed wood design. However, it's also available in 4 other styles. What makes this desk stand out the most is its structure, quality, and warranty. Made from robust steel, it has a heavy-duty weight capacity of 220 pounds. Vari offers a generous 5-year manufacturer's warranty on all their standing desks. Another impressive factor of this Vari model is the height adjustment range. Users can adjust the desktop up to 50.5 inches high thanks to dual electric motors. That makes it suitable for even very tall people. The whole desk can be assembled in as little as 5 minutes. Furthermore, the desk is Green Gold certified, which means it releases very little harmful gases and is considered safe for residential use. Apart from the premium price tag, this standing desk doesn't have any other significant downsides. In summary, if you are looking for a well-built and long-lasting compact standing desk for small spaces, look no further. At number 3. Spadi 47-inch hand crank standing desk. Next up is the Spadi hand crank standing. This one is for budget buyers, price under $200, however, it is a non-powered option that uses a crank for height adjustment. If you are looking for manual standing desks in particular, read our best hand crank standing desks guide. The desktop of this Spadi model measures 47 inches long by 23.6 inches wide and is available in 4 styles: antique, black, light maple, and white. It's made from powder-coated particle board that is resistant to scratches and moisture. Using the manual hand crank, users can lift the tabletop to heights between 28.7 and 46.3 inches. The hand crank can be installed on both sides of the desk depending on whether you are right or left-handed. What makes this desk unique is its robust structure. The alloy steel frame enables a remarkable maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds. Furthermore, Spadi includes a 1-year manufacturer's warranty with this model. Overall, the Spadi hand crank standing desk is an excellent choice if you need a small standing desk without spending a fortune. At number 4. FlexiSpot EW8 Electric Standing Desk. Of course, we had to include an option for the style hunters. Our most stylish pick, the FlexiSpot EW8 model, offers a beautiful light design combined with many additional features. The desktop of this standing desk measures 47.3 by 23.7 inches, and it's made from scratch and moisture-resistant particle board. It's available in 4 stylish finishes: black, white, bamboo, and red oak. What makes it even better is an integrated storage drawer for documents and other office equipment. Users can regulate the desk's height between 28.3 and 47.6 inches high. This can be done by the touch of a button and saved to one of 4 memory height presets. Additionally, this model offers a handy feature with the integrated charging system, including 2 USB and 1 Type-C device charging port. The only downsides are that the lifting process is powered by only a single motor and a lower maximum weight capacity of 110 pounds. However, FlexiSpot offers a generous 5-year manufacturer's warranty, hinting that they trust their product's structure. All in all, the FlexiSpot EW8 is an excellent choice for buyers looking for a supremely stylish compact standing desk. At number 5. Fezibo 40-inch electric standing desk. Another desk worth mentioning when it comes to the best small standing desks is the Fezibo 40-inch electric standing desk. Fezibo is known for its style and affordability, and this model is no exception. The standing desk has a compact 40 by 24-inch work surface made from scratch and water-resistant particle board. It's available in 5 trendy styles: espresso, rustic brown, white, black, and natural. A powerful single electric motor enables users to change the desktop height to between 27.1 and 46 inches. The user's standing and sitting heights can be saved to 4 memory height presets. The frame of this Fezibo model is made from sturdy iron, which allows for a decent maximum weight capacity of 155 pounds. Fezibo offers a 5-year manufacturer's warranty on the frame of the desk and a 2-year warranty on the electric motor. Fezibo did add some handy additional features to this desk, including a couple of desk hooks for hanging equipment and a cable management tray. In summary, this Fezibo product is another solid option for a small standing desk. It's compact, well-built, affordable, and has style.